Hello everyone, this is Isabel. I'm in sunny Hawaii at PTC’25, and today I'm joined by Keith Henderson. He's the CEO of Xtera. Keith, welcome to my hot seat yet again.
Hi Isabel, it's a pleasure to be here with you and thank you for having me.
So we were here last year, same place, same time. Yeah, we talked about your amazing project TAM1. Where are you at with that project?
Well, it's been a fantastic year, Isabel. Some amazing progress. I'm really pleased to report that the first segments of the system are ready. We have the fully qualified 24 fiber pair Xtera repeater, and our partner IT is currently preparing vessels for mobilization, and then we will start the deployment of TAM1 in March this year.
Okay. And we love the IT guys.
Oh, we do. Yes, I mean they are the perfect partner, and we're doing a lot of business. I'm also going to talk to you a little bit about the Quintillion project that we've won with them with IT. Okay. So it's been a fantastic year. Moving on to Quintillion, this is an amazing project in the Arctic. You know that in Alaska, it's associated with pioneers, and we're really privileged to be on this system. It's an incredible system. What it's bringing to the community there, if you think it's one of the most remote places in the world, it's very underpopulated, so if people need healthcare, education, you need communications for that. And what Quintillion do is there's also a huge aspect of national security. They actually take data from the satellites because of the position of where they are, and the satellite data is then moved on to subsea cables. So that distribution of data, they're pretty unique in doing that.
So what about Xtera? What can we expect from you guys into the future?
Oh, you can expect a lot. As you can see, the growth that we've had in the last 18 months, amazing, and that plan is to continue. And what we've actually done, we've been very proactive. We've increased our manufacturing facilities. We're bringing on actually end of January, early February. We will have 2 new manufacturing facilities, clean room for further repeater integration. What this does to customers is we're the only supplier in Subsea that can provide a disaggregated system. So if you're the customer, and this is exactly what we're doing with Quintillion, whereby they have selected IT because they've got such expertise in the region, working in very difficult Arctic conditions, and with Xtera we can either just provide the wet plant, the repeaters and branching units, do the project management. Customers can actually select or manage their own cable supplier, own marine installation, and we believe that this model it gives a much faster response, because as you can see, the industry is growing so fast at the moment. There is a supply constraint, so we offer this flexibility, and it gives the customer that speed to market, which is important. In our repeater, you see a lot in the news recently about the threat of attacks on subsea cables. We have only one of the repeaters with actually the telemetry inside the repeater, whereby if that repeater is touched on the ocean bed, real time that sends an alarm. So we're offering all of these features to our customer base, and just watch this space because there'll be more announcements this year.
I'm definitely watching this space. Exciting times for the Xtera team, which I like a lot. So congratulations and good luck for the rest of the conference and for the rest of the year. It's only starting.
Thanks, Isabel. It's been a real pleasure, and I would like to welcome you to the Xtera facilities when we do cut the ribbon on the new manufacturing facility, and we'll take you there.
Keith, thank you for an amazing interview. Exciting times ahead, and have a good continuation of the conference.
Thank you, Isabel. It's such a pleasure. Thank you.
Everyone, thank you for watching, and until my next hot shot.